Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we have a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our bill binder along with our cash envelopes today. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're going to get into it. All right, y'all, first things first, let's count up our money. I believe we should have $540 here today. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we do in fact have $540 to work with. If y'all saw my last video, y'all caught me. I messed up counting this money. So I did have to rewrite my little sheet over here. I think I said I had made like 906, but it was actually 866 was my income last week. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I think the 20s were sticking together or I was just trying to count it too fast and it did not work for me. That's what happens when it is Sunday night and you're trying to get the video done and you're tired from a long work week. But y'all caught me and we're fixing it. It's gonna be okay. But let's go ahead and get into the stuffing. We are gonna start with our bill binder. As always, I'm gonna start with my personal envelope, and that is getting $25 today. And we are now up to 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So 37 for my personal spending money. Next up is going to be my husband's envelope. He is also getting $25. And he's got a good chunk up in here. He usually gets $100 deposited into his checking account at the beginning of each month. So he's actually got a little bit extra in here now. So I'll probably give him the extra in cash this month. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So he has 125. Next up, we are not putting anything into our buffer today, nor our subscriptions. And the only reason I am doing that is because with May coming up around the corner, I am kind of revamping my bills binder and how I'm doing like subscriptions. So I'm just gonna skip those and we're gonna figure it out in the beginning of May. What is going on in our bill account along with like where we're at with our subscriptions. So stay tuned for those videos. I think I will be doing my May budget setup. I believe that video should be coming out Friday. I believe it's Friday. I've got so many videos coming out this week, y'all. But look out for that. We're gonna go over how we're kind of restructuring certain things within my budget. Jim is going to be getting $10. And let's see. How am I doing that today? I'm just going to do a 10. All right, so we've got 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, $28 in Jim. Nothing is going to go in debt snowball. And taxes. Taxes, I do put aside 5% of my taxes. And you know what I just realized? That $45 is actually 5% of the old. So let's fix this. So $8.66 times 5% is only $43. So you know what, guys? We're gonna fix this because I'm not putting any more towards taxes than I need to. So 43, which means this is now 103, and it should be 7. I'll fix that later. That should be, we'll fix that later. This number's off, and that just means that this number down over here will be off too. And you know what? That'll be more money to put into our sinking funds or savings challenges. So we're gonna put $43 away. Y'all know I hate stuff in this envelope. I really do. But I will be thankful that I have the money to pay my taxes come next year, because that's one of the reasons I'm restructuring my binder, is because taxes took away some of my buffer money in our checking account. But anyways, in taxes, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, $97 in taxes. All right, and that is it for our bill binder. Now for our cash envelope binder. Y'all know recently I have been unstuffing this binder each week and putting that towards my savings challenges. But this week we're gonna roll some stuff over, and that is only because I have a lot of expenses that I know are coming up this week. So it just makes more sense to roll this money over. And then next week, if need be, if I don't spend it all, we will roll that money over. But we are adding $200 to groceries. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. And let's see, we have some money in here. All right, so let's see what we're up to. We are at 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we are up to $229 in groceries. Gas is getting $50, so 40, 45, 50. All right, so in gas, we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, in pet care, we are adding $60 this week. So we are now up to 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. In dining, we are adding $100. So dining is now up to 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So $179 in dining. And y'all, we actually did already spend some of this. I did my cash unstuffing a little early this week, and my husband and I actually went out on Saturday evening after I filmed that video. So some of this money is already gone from our budget for the week, so it's okay. Next up is fun. Fun is going to be getting $20. So fun now has 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, and miscellaneous is getting $5, and this is the $2 that we took out of taxes that we're gonna go ahead and put towards our savings challenges. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23 in miscellaneous. All right, y'all, that was a quick little video. That's gonna be it for today. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead and figure out what we're doing with our sinking funds and savings challenges for the week. And I do have a few more extra videos this week. We will be doing our bill exchange as well as our sinking funds update for April. And then we will have our May budget as well this week. So look out for those videos and I'll see you later. Bye.